All right, welcome back. Let's do video viewers, and welcome back to the boardroom. Mark, can you please introduce yourself?
Good. Hey, Dave. Happy to be here. I'm Marc Happe. I'm a senior product manager with AVer. This is, I think, my second time in the boardroom with you, Dave. So I'm excited to be back. I'm excited to be talking about the new product that AVer was launched, and then we'll be showcasing at InfoComm. So hopefully, this is a great opportunity for customers to catch a preview of what we're showing and stop by and visit us.
Yeah, I'm looking forward. You always have a great booth at the show, and it's going to be an amazing show this year. I don't like traveling, but I'm looking forward to this one. But this product, I mean, why are we even here? This is a no-brainer for me because everyone's talking about video bars. It's the new standard.
Yeah.
At least, for a lot of spaces, it either does the job or it's a great way to get started to get the job done. And, AVer customers, they like getting their cameras from AVer. We've talked about your warranties. We've talked about your customer service. So AVer has a new video bar. End of story. We're going to see it at InfoComm. Thanks for being here, everyone. But since we have you here, maybe you can tell us a little bit about it. But I feel like, this is kind of a no-brainer.
Absolutely. So, yeah, as you mentioned, video bars are pretty pervasive throughout the industry. That they're easy to install. They're right at the front of the room where everybody's looking. Self-contained audio, video, everything that you need. So, video bars might be a little lesser known to AVer. A lot of people know us for our PTZ cameras, and we do video bars. Congratulations! But we also have video bars for all different room sizes, from the smallest to the largest room. And we know that when we talk about different size conference rooms, we need performance match products. So we match performance, we match price, we match capability throughout. So I'm here to talk about today the VB150, which we'll get to a little bit here in a second. This is the newest edition, replacing our VB130, which was targeted for the small huddle room. But I do want to mention as well some of the other video bars that we do show in the family here, all USB based. So they do support single cable BYOD, and I'll use this VB150 as a reference here with single cable BYOD in and an HDMI out. But if BYOD isn't necessarily your thing, it's also compatible with your MTRs on Windows, your Zoom rooms on Windows. So it isn't just a one-trick pony. It's compatible with all these other deployment models that you would encounter in actual enterprise environments.
Excellent. So, so not a one size fit all. Whatever your software is, whatever you connect with, it'll work with it. Yeah.
Absolutely. And also, I do want to point out, a lot of our customers do point out as well that when we say we support 27-foot room or 30-foot room, our product supports to that. So you can be that distance away and get the performance, the audio and video performance that you do need, and also supplement that if you need to, or prefer to, with an expansion microphone or expansion speakerphone on the table.
Excellent. And can you hold it up again? Because I want to point out that,
yes.
I think a lot of people just, care about the function. I want it to work. I want to make sure the audio is good. I'll make sure the video is good. But it has a nice design. This thing's going to be sitting in my meeting room and reflects on me. I'm sorry. I want my gear to look cool. And I think, we'll see it in person at InfoComm, but I think the team did a good job with that one.
It sure does. Yes. So it's a newer industrial design, more fabric-based front. So what we're seeing more within the industry is the fabric preference. Comes in black, so it matches more lines as well. And we did get rid of that camera, that light that was on the front. I know we got some feedback from our customer base that the light really wasn't very utilized and made it look quite utility for some of the enterprise spaces. So we got rid of that and made it more streamlined. It's also less than 3 inches deep. I know the huddle rooms, but the table, but the width is ADA compliant. If you do have even those smaller conference rooms with the island tables, a great match and great solution for that.
Great. Anything else we need to know about it, or just do we have the booth number?
Oh, we do.
We'll pop it up on top. Abracadabra. There it is. We'll see you at the booth. We'll put it up after.
Yes. But we'll be at InfoComm showcasing the VB150 as well as some of our other product lines and even new products for us. So stop by, check out AVer at InfoComm. I'll be there. My colleagues will be there. We are super excited to see you, Dave, as well as to see all of our customers and the industry.
Yep, this is going to be a great show, and we're doing before the show happens. If you're following, we'll be doing a webinar talking about another AVer solution that actually might tie into this one. So stay tuned and follow the Let's Do Video feeds. Follow me on LinkedIn. A lot happening, and thank you so much, Mark, for being here. And we'll see you all
Yeah,
at
thank you,
InfoComm.
Dave. Yep, appreciate it. Have safe travels, everybody. Safe travels to you too, Dave.
Take care.